What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video, which I'll try to put out as soon as I can. But it's the timing of this video is a little bit strange because we'll do a full update on the markets, of course, and I'll talk about Bitcoin. But the main thing that's going on right now, and what's pulling all the liquidity and what has caused cryptos and a lot of coins to actually, for the last 30 minutes, perform very, very well, is the news of a massive announcement coming by Senator Lummis. And if you don't know who Senator Lummis is, I think she is, if I remember correctly, I think she is the main senator that was actually talking with some other people at the inauguration, etc., about a potential strategic Bitcoin reserve. So the thing is that, and this is what she announced. Stay tuned for 10 a.m., which is in about 5 minutes. So when you're watching this video, it has already happened. I'm not sure if I'll still be uploading or I'll still be recording for it. She said big things coming. Stay tuned for 10 a.m. So what the market is the market is obviously bullish because a lot of people are thinking that this will be a strategic Bitcoin reserve. I'm not sure, all right? In general, I mean, you can see we've had some nice bullish momentum here. This is just going to be very, very volatile because the thing is that, all right, well, this announcement, a lot of people are expecting something big. But you have to ask yourself the question, well, is the market actually expecting that we will get a strategic Bitcoin reserve or not? If the answer is no, it will be bearish, all right? If the announcement is not a strategic Bitcoin reserve, it will be bearish, but it's not necessarily the end of the world. And if the answer is yes, so if you think the market is expecting that with this announcement, the result is going to be disastrous, and then we can drop down all the way to the previous bottom right here at 94,000. So it's just going to be very volatile, all right? And you will not be quicker than the bots trading this news announcement. So it's probably already too late, but be careful, all right? But it's about that. You basically have these two scenarios, and basically four scenarios. Either you think the market has priced it in, or you think the market has not priced it in, and then it's either an announcement about a strategic Bitcoin reserve, or it's not an announcement about the strategic Bitcoin reserve, and then you still have to ask yourself the question, well, all right, well, how bullish is this announcement actually? So in general, a very difficult news event to predict. I would say, given the fact that I think it's fairly unlikely that we will see a strategic Bitcoin reserve, I would say that it's a massive announcement. So I do think we'll move up, but I don't think it's a strategic Bitcoin reserve. So I think we'll spike up, potentially to new all-time highs. But then I do think we'll drop back down to this level here at 102,000. And then over the course of today, we will actually see whether the fundamentals are strong enough to hold the price there. Dollar strength index is relatively bearish right now, and the stock markets have opened fairly well. So I have good hopes that the market is going to be able to hold this consolidation range right here. But the volatility we will see after the announcement is going to be massive. And I would say, be careful with it. If there is going to be a strategic Bitcoin reserve, we will probably pump. And then it's also it's going to be difficult to catch these, but then there will also be certain coins, probably something like Ondo. Ondo was quite strong over the course of today. RWA tokens in general were quite strong. AI coins could also be relatively strong compared to other meme coins. And when we're talking about volume here, there's a couple of coins that are high in volume. Chainlink, quite high because of the tokenization talks today by BlackRock, which we also had today. A lot of news. But Chainlink and Ondo, those are kind of the RWA picks. And then potentially we could also see meme coins do quite well. But the main thing you have to keep your eyes on is, well, first of all, the announcement. What will it be? And then second of all right, which coins are actually pulling most of the volume? Because those will outperform, all right? And in general, those are my thoughts. If it's actually going to be a strategic Bitcoin reserve, we will just pump up to 115 in one candle, I think. But we shall see. It is in general very unpredictable, so I will try to get this video out as soon as I can. But for now, I kind of wanted to make a video on that news, and like I said, there's different scenarios here. I would say that it doesn't really matter that much for still getting a bull market this year. I still think we will. But this in combination with the FOMC we have next week, kind of to prepare you for that. The last FOMC was crap, so hopefully it's not going to be like that. But these two events I do think are going to matter a lot for the markets. So be prepared for that. Be aware of all the different scenarios. Like I said, no strategic Bitcoin reserve, and we can drop down a lot, so know that as well. But that's what I think you need to know for now. All right, I'm going to upload this video as soon as I can. Be careful for all the volatility the rest of the day as well. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.